Good morning and a happy new year to all the viewers. And let's talk about the Dalal Street. Does not seem like the party is over yet on the Dalal Street, with Nifty touching the 14,000 mark on the last day of the year. It's surely going to be exciting, and let's look at the top 5 stocks that will be in focus on 1st Jan 2021, the beginning of the new year. So let's talk about firstly IDBI Bank. The company has completed its sale of its 23% stake in IDBI Federal Life, and this insurance company of Ageas Insurance International JV on 31st December is this was the JV which they've completed on for 507 crores rupees. So this is very exciting coming in from IDBI space, and surely we're going to see how the stock actually performs going forward. Moving on to JSPL, the company is declared as a successful bidder for Gare Palma IV coal mine by the Ministry of Coal. So JSPL also could be in focus. We could see some movement after winning this bid successfully. Surely an exciting thing coming out for JSPL. Talking about HSIL, the promoter shareholding has increased to 60.24% from 53.91% post the buyback of shares through the open market. So the buyback ended yesterday, and this is surely seeing an increase by 7% in the almost 7% in the stake of promoter holdings overall in the company. And HSIL is an exciting space to watch out for. The stock could be in focus even today. Now let's look at some of the brokerage notes and what the brokerages are actually saying about some of the companies. So talking about Bandhan Bank, Macquarie has maintained an underperform stance on Bandhan Bank with a target price of around 320 rupees per share. The Assam state passes a bill to impose restrictions on the microfinance operations. So they see many near-term and structural challenges which may come in for Bandhan Bank, and that is why they are maintaining an underperformance stance as of now on Bandhan Bank. Lastly, let's talk about Jubilant Foodworks. Very exciting space. The company has been foraying into a lot of strategic as well as financial investments in the last month and the last couple of months. So obviously foraying into the biryani space and capturing the India's love for biryani. Then coming out with the unthinkable pizza, India's first protein-based non-meat plant pizza. So that topping for that pizza, so it's called also an unthinkable pizza. Very exciting. Now what is finally new is that the company has forayed into the third food segment, into an adjacent food segment. That's yesterday they announced a foraying into this segment of taking equity stake in Barbeque-Nation. They bought around 10.8% equity stake in Barbeque-Nation Hospitalities. So that's an Indian this is an Indian dining casual dining place in India, and they have a lot of chains across the country as well. So this new foray is surely a financial investment by the company, shows that how the company is broadening its food scope as well. And looking at that, CITI has maintained an equal weight stance on the company with a target, equal weight stance on Jubilant Foodworks. Surely a positive, sign for Jubilant Foodworks as well. How they are innovating and coming with strategic ideas, and they've maintained a buy stance on Jubilant Foodworks. CITI has maintained a buy stance on Jubilant Foodworks with a target price of 2,568 rupees per share. So we're going to keep an eye out on that, especially with the management being excited about the ready-to-cook portfolio. And let's look at how the stock performs in trade today as well.